And so, what is its true purpose? And how did you say, hey, look, like what drove you to say, this is the vision? I want to go
Right.
here, you know?
I didn't set out to like, okay, I'm going to go have a good idea. I need to go, sit in a corner and start just drawing things out. I think the effective entrepreneurs look at the market and they're really good at identifying what sucks and then having the confidence and belief system that they can solve that problem.
Mm,
And you're paid in direct proportion to your ability to solve problems. For me, when I was looking at this arena, if you will, or this niche, creators have been historically underpaid and undervalued. We saw that people were being suppressed, like their ideas, their opinions, their thoughts were literally being canceled or taken off various other social media platforms. Each is being diminished. Like if you go to build a community on a lot of the bigger tech platforms, you're going to get 2 to 3% of that community engagement. And that's by design, right? Smart people designed algorithms to diminish organic reach and put a lot more emphasis on pay to play, like pay
right.
for reach.